What's up, traders? Welcome back to the channel. If you missed today's market action, buckle up because we just witnessed something absolutely insane. $SPCX, that's SpaceX related ticker, exploded up 647%. Not 64. Not even 100. 6, 4, 7%. And the reason? Elon Musk just became the world's first trillionaire. Yeah, you heard that right. A trillion with a T. And that's just the beginning of today's wild ride. We had multiple stocks hitting circuit breakers, biotech bombs, and some brutal sell-offs. Stick around as we break down every single move, the catalysts behind them, and what you need to watch for tomorrow. Let's jump in. Alright, let's set the stage for what was an absolutely bonkers day in the markets on June 12, 2026. We're seeing a massive divergence between growth stories and reality checks. The top gainers today were absolutely on fire. We're talking triple-digit percentage moves across multiple stocks. Meanwhile, the losers' side saw some serious damage, with one stock down nearly 58%. This is classic market behavior in a speculative environment where narrative and hype can drive massive swings in micro-cap and small-cap names. Volume was extremely elevated across the board, with some stocks moving 500 million plus shares. The VIX equivalent for these movers was absolutely insane. This is the kind of day where fortunes are made and lost in seconds. Let's break it down piece by piece, starting with the absolute monster of the day, $SPCX. Okay, let's talk about $SPCX first. $SPCX up 647.4%, closing at $164.28 with 512 million shares traded. This is absolutely astronomical. The catalyst here is clear. Elon Musk becoming the world's first trillionaire. That's not just news. That's history. The news mentioned space data centers could arrive within 2 years. And SpaceX shares have soared accordingly. Think about what this means. Space base. Volatile tomorrow. Expect wide swings. Next up, $cast. $cast. Up 117.4% to $1.40 with 205 million shares traded. Free cast stock doubled. Actually more than doubled. As DIRECTV expansion sparks massive retail excitement. Now, here's the thing about $cast. This is a small cap name that just got a major catalyst. DIRECTV is expanding, and free cast is positioned to benefit. Trading halts on circuit breakers to the upside. Tell why. On narrative gains more coverage. Number 3. VSME. $VSME. Up 55.2% to $1.723 with 80 million shares traded. VS Media gained on AI smart living plans and a debt deal resurfacing. This is interesting because we've got two catalysts here. One forward-looking, AI smart living, which is hot right now, and one structural, debt deal, which relieves balance sheet pressure. When you get both of those in one day, you get 55%. Updates on those AI plans. Gainer number 4. $AIDX. $AIDX. Up 52.3% to $1.31 with 21 million shares and 1.9x relative volume. This one's tied to 2020 Biolab's multi-cancer early detection blood test being selected for something major. Now, cancer detection using AI and blood tests is a massive market. But here's the catch. The company posted a Q1 EPS miss. They lost 28 cents when estimates were for a loss of 10 cents. So, T starts generating real revenue. Final gainer. $BYAH. $BYAH. Up 44.8% to $1.52 with 104 million shares. Park Ha Biological Technology announced pricing of a $2 million registered direct offering. Here's what's happening. The company is raising money. And the market loves it. That means investors believe the capital will be deployed productively. Trading halts again on the upside. This is a pure biotech play where capital INJ. UT the carnage. Starting with the biggest loser. $HSPT. $HSPT. Down 57.7% to $4.66 with only 744,000 shares traded. That volume is tiny compared to the gainers. SL Bio and Horizon Space Acquisition II announced a closing of a merger. Here's what happened. Merger arb unwound. Basically, traders who were betting on a specific merger price just got the actual closing terms. And they didn't like them. This is a classic merger arb. TTERN over the next few days. Loser number 2. $Gels. $Gels. Down 40.7% to $0.908 with 6 million shares. Geltec successfully completed veterinary palatability trials. Wait, that sounds good, right? Veterinary products are a growth market. So why's the stock down 40%? This is a case of sell the news. The market was expecting bigger news. The trials are fine. They're not transformational. Traders who were hoping for FD. Sold. Watch for a recovery bounce. Third loser. $SMSI. $SMSI. Down 35.8% to $2.92 with 1.3 million shares. Smith Micro Software posted Q1 2026 earnings. The earnings call highlights likely showed weak guidance or disappointing margins. Software companies live and die on growth rates and margins. If Smith Micro's earnings showed deceleration, the market will punish it hard. Key level. $2.92 support. Resistance. $3.60. This is Z once the shock wears off. Loser number 4. $BIYA. $BIYA. Down 32.7% to $0.68 with 4.4 million shares. The news is scattered here. August Escoffier School of Culinary Arts. Sprott dividend. Trump accounts. None of this explains a 33% drop. This looks like a stock that was already weak and just got beaten down by market sentiment. Could be short selling. Could be profit taking on a bubble stock. Key level. $0.68. O King at $0.50. Resistance. $0.85. Final loser. $GLXG. $GLXG. Down 32.1% to $1.411 with 1.6 million shares. Galaxy Payroll is filing a $200 million mixed shelf. That's actually neutral to positive. It means capital raising optionality. So why's it down 32%? This also looks like a weak stock getting caught in profit taking. When a stock's already down and you announce equity dilution, you get cascading selling. Key lev. Alright, traders. Let's talk about what we're watching for tomorrow and beyond. First, the obvious. SPCX is going to be extremely volatile. 647% moves don't cool down in one day. Expect a pullback, consolidation, and then potentially another leg higher if the space data center narrative gains more mainstream coverage. Watch for any statements from SpaceX about timelines. That stock could easily swing $30 to $40 per share in a single day at this volatility level. Second, the biotech crew. AIDX and BYAH. These are both clinical stage or early revenue stories backed by recent capital. If either of these companies announces a partnership, funding round, or clinical milestone, you're looking at potential 50 to 100% moves. These are high risk, high reward plays. Set alerts for SEC filings. Third, the merger cleanup. HSPT just closed. Watch the biotechnology space for other deals that might be unwinding. There could be more arbitrage bombs like this one. Fourth, the semiconductor and software space. SMSI shows weakness. If that weakness spreads to other software companies tomorrow, you've got a potential sector rotation out of software into hardware or infrastructure. SPCX could actually benefit from that rotation. Fifth, the oversold bounce candidates. Gels at $0.90 after a 40% drop is worth watching. These can bounce 20 to 30% just from oversold conditions. Same with GLXG. Don't hold these long term, but mean reversion traders could profit. Finally, volume. Watch which of these stocks maintains elevated volume tomorrow. Stocks that opened with 200+ million shares and keep volume above 50 million have real institutional interest. Stocks that see volume dry up are likely dead cats bouncing. Every single day after market close, we break down the top gainers and losers so you never miss a major move. Earnings surprises, FDA approvals, merger announcements, short squeezes. We cover it all. Don't get left behind. Subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification so you get alerted the moment we publish. Tomorrow we'll cover a brand new set of movers with fresh catalysts and fresh opportunities. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or investor, these recaps give you the intel you need to stay ahead. So subscribe now, hit the bell, and we'll see you tomorrow with another complete market breakdown. Want even deeper analysis and real-time alerts? Head over to tdvw.com. That's tdvw.com. We've got premium data, stock screeners, and a community of traders just like you sharing insights and setups. The link is in the description. Check it out. Get premium access and start trading with the edge. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next recap.